Let me show you how to use our brand new Motorola Warranty Checker. So at first, you have to open the browser and go to IMEI.info website. Once you are here, enter IMEI number of your phone into this empty bracket in the middle of the screen, go through the CAPTCHA protection, and traffic lights, nope, and click on check. And as you can see here, you've got the whole specification about your Motorola. But if you would like to check warranty for your phone, click on the warranty status check, the green bracket under free checks. Now click one more time on check Motorola warranty status and wait a couple of seconds. Because your order is processing, it may take a short while, just be patient, and then you will be able to come along with all the details about your phone. And here it is. So as you can see, here we've got the whole specification about your phone, the very advanced info, starting with IMEI number, second IMEI number, model, name, color, accounting product code, and all the others. But here are those about warranty. So as you can see, it's purchase country, warranty status, warranty name, warranty start date, and also the end name, manufacturer date, and ship date. So as you can see, just with your IMEI number and our website, you can come along with very advanced info about your Motorola with all the details about warranty included. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.